What's going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video. Hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this brand new altcoin called HODL. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it in this video on iOS or Android. So this coin has been hitting a lot of all-time highs. It's only been out for, I believe, only a couple weeks. So before we get started with the video, I'm not a financial advisor. This is only for entertainment purposes only. So the first thing you guys want to do is head to your Google Play Store or your app store right here if you're on iOS, and you want to search up for an app called Trust Wallet. It is completely free right here. This is what the icon does look like. So once you do install the application right here, we can open up the app, and this is what's going to look like. So for you to actually get this coin, you need to purchase BNB, and there are two ways of getting BNB. So the very first method is buying it straight off the app right here. So what you would do is make sure you're under the wallet menu, click on buy right here, tap on BNB, and select your third-party provider. If depending on the country you live in, you may have multiple third-party provider, but I live in Canada and I only have MoonPay. So I have purchased from MoonPay from several other websites as well, so I can say that MoonPay is trusted. So I do also want to note that the minimum purchase right now to purchase BNB is $50 right here, as you guys can see. So once you guys have done that, you guys are good to go. You're going to refresh your page right here and you should see your BNB. If you don't see a BNB section, just click the top right hand corner and make sure you have the BNB toggled on right there so you guys can see it under your wallet section. So that is the very first method. The second method is transferring it from another wallet. So for example, Binance. So Binance, you can actually purchase BNB on their application. So what you would do here is on your Trustwall app, you would go to receive BNB. You would copy this address for your BNB, go over to your Binance account or your other wallet, and then you're going to be able to send it over right here. So you just obviously just want to make sure you copy the exact address on the Trustwall app. Also, you guys see in the description it says no memo required. So when you're, for example, using Binance to send it over, it may ask you to fill it out, but like I said right here, for your Trust Wallet BNB, it's not required for it. So it's only the BNB address. So you guys have your BNB on your device. You will need to actually convert to the BNB smart chain. So it's very easy to do that. All you would do is tap on your BNB right here, tap on more, and then click on where it says swap to smart chain. So I have about almost $50 worth of BNB. I'm going to tap on that right now, and then where it says you pay, you put in the amount, so you can put half of it if you would like to. So I'm going to put in about 50% right here, swap. So there is a network fee of $1.23. So if you put the max, it might not work for you, so you might need to lower it down a bit. But the fee isn't too much, so there you guys have it. It's going to say processing. It may take a few minutes, so just be patient. So once you guys have fully done that and refresh your page right here, you guys should see a new option right here called Smart Chain, which is the BNB Smart Chain. So like I said, I did about half, so now I have about $27 worth of BNB Smart Chain. So now we're going to be able to purchase the HODL coin. So what you want to do next is go to the browser section. So if you're on Android, you'll automatically have this tab already. It might be called a little bit something different. But if you're on iOS and you're installing this application for the first time, we will need to add the browser tab manually. So to do that, you guys want to go to the link down below in the description right here. And it's going to bring you to the official guide on how to enable the browser tab on the Trustwall application. But if you scroll down right here, all you want to do is just type in this URL right here, trustbrowser_enable. And then once you do that, it's going to ask you, do you want to open up this app in your Trust Wallet? Click on open, and then you should see the browser tab right here. So there you guys have it. So from here, we want to open up the browser tab, and we want to go into Pancakeswap. So scroll down, and you should see under the most popular section. Tap on that right there. So from here, you guys want to connect your Trust Wallet to the Pancakeswap. So click on the top right hand corner. I've already connected it, so I don't have that option, but you guys want to do that. And then from here, make sure you're under the swap menu. So there we have it already. And then where it says from, you want to make sure you select the BNB Smart Chain. And then for 2, you want to click on select a currency. And unfortunately, you can't search it up. You have to manually add the contract address, so the official address for the HODL coin. So what you guys want to do is go to the link down below in the description right here. So you basically can look on it anywhere you want to, so you guys can actually just go to their official website or search it up on like CoinMarketCap or the BSC scan, which is what I usually use. So make sure you guys are copying the exact address. So for example, if you're going to be using the BSC scan, you want to scroll down right here. There's about 3,000 holders, the total supply right there. So make sure you're not copying a contract address that's fake. So make sure it's the official one. So this is legit because there's only about 3,500 holders right now, 26,000 transfers. So scroll down and copy this address right here. So I don't think I even copy it. So let's go back, copy this address, and there you have it. I believe we did, and then we can copy the address. So now what we would do is go back into the Trustwall app right here, select the currency, and then paste in that address right there. I'm also going to have the link as well as the actual address in the description. So I'm going to be adding it right here. So click on add, and there you guys have it. So once you guys have done that, you want to search it up again because we officially added it now. So there it is. And basically now from here, we can put in any amount of BNB Smart Change to the HODL coins. So I'll put the max amount in, and some of you guys may be able to bypass this. So you may have to change your slippage if you get some like gas or output errors. So to change your slippage, click on this little icon right there. So you might be able to get away with adding 1% as the slippage. So if we change that right here to 1%, we might, like I said, we might get an output or like some gas error. So click on swap right here and then confirm swap. So you guys see we're getting that error now. So we're gonna probably have to change it to about 11 or 12%. So sometimes, like I said, you can get away with having a really low slippage, but the average is usually you need to set to 11 or 12%. So confirm swap. So still saying, so now we'll try 12 and hopefully that works. So let's try this again. So it's kind of like a trial and error thing. Confirm, and there you guys have it. So there is a 40-cent fee right there. So we're gonna click on send. You guys see says transaction submitted. So now we can go back out to our wallet menu and refresh it, and you guys should see your HODL coin. So if you don't see it like this right here, after I refreshed it, click on the upper right hand corner and you want to search for up right here, and you should be able to toggle it on. So this is the official one because you can see you actually see the icon of their token, and there you guys have it right there. There is the token, and you guys see it already went up a couple cents, but it's probably going to go up and down throughout the day. So that's basically it for video. Hope you guys did enjoy this one. If you did, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, hit that subscribe button, and let me know down below in the comment sections, are you guys going to be investing into this coin? And yeah guys, that's basically it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.